Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's Oscar here with another video. I know I haven't been on my channel too much, and usually I be making like cannabis videos and stuff like that, but for this one we actually have a car video for you guys. A little bit backstory about this. So I basically picked up a 1 Series, a 128i a couple months ago, like maybe 2 to 3 months ago. I think I actually only have like 2 months with it so far. Basically, I was at a car meet recently and then someone just pulled up on me and asked me if I wanted to buy a 1M bumper. And I've actually been like dreaming of doing the 1M full conversion on this car. So I'm super hyped to like actually put the bumper on today. I actually got it like 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago. And then it was painted with like a white color. I'll probably put it up on the screen right now, but it was really shitty painted. So, all right guys, so right now I'm just waiting on the homie Victor to pull up. I did it first myself to take off the bumper and put it back on the first time, but I don't want to do it this time by myself because it's freshly painted. I want to have 2 pairs of hands just so I don't fucking drop it on the ground and it ends up scraping it. Like, I want it to actually look good. So the homie's about to pull up to the pad right now and he's gonna help me install this. I'll get back with you guys. I'll show you guys what I'm working with right here. I have the fog lights right there. Took not a minute, but I had to like zip tie the fucking fog lights. But this is the one. But yeah, I'm just waiting on the homies to pull up right now, and we're gonna slap this thing on right here. This is the brand new bumper. Sheesh. All right, y'all. The homie Victor pulled up. Helped me put this thing on. The homie Tony pulled up. He got me right with that 1M bumper fitment right here, guys. It's the end of the vlog. Came out nice. Yeah, definitely a whole different car. It was looking like a granny car in the beginning, but the homies pulled up, helped me make that shit work. It was not that long, honestly. It took like about 30-40 minutes, and I had to jerry-rig the fog lights with some zip ties, but that shit turned out nice, bro. Make sure you guys leave a comment, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna be making more videos on the 128i and anything I do to it. Shit, maybe a tune coming up. Let's figure it out, but see you guys on the next one.